For thousands of years, ancient murals have survived wars, climate shifts, earthquakes, and human neglect. Painted on stone, plaster, and cave walls, these artworks were never meant to last forever. And yet, many of them still whisper stories from civilizations long gone. But time always leaves a mark. Colors fade, surfaces crack. Smoke, moisture, and microorganisms slowly erase details that once defined entire cultures. For centuries, restoration meant repainting by hand, often guessing what the original looked like. Today, that guesswork is disappearing. Modern technology is changing how we bring ancient murals back to life, without touching them at all.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
The first breakthrough begins with seeing what the human eye cannot. Conservators now use multispectral and hyperspectral imaging to scan murals under different wavelengths of light. Infrared reveals sketches hidden beneath paint layers. Ultraviolet light exposes organic materials, past restorations, and invisible damage. In many cases, murals that appear almost blank suddenly reveal figures, patterns, and symbols thought to be lost forever. These scans don't just show images, they create data. Every pigment reflects light differently, allowing scientists to identify the exact minerals, plants, or chemical compounds used centuries ago. This matters because knowing the original materials is the key to preserving them. Using the wrong substance during restoration can trigger chemical reactions that accelerate decay. Technology removes that risk. Then comes one of the most visually striking tools, laser cleaning. Unlike abrasive brushes or chemicals, lasers remove dirt and pollutants one microscopic layer at a time. The laser's energy is calibrated so precisely that it vaporizes contaminants while leaving original pigments untouched. It sounds futuristic, but it's physics in action. The laser interacts differently with modern grime than with ancient paint. What remains is the original surface, cleaner and clearer than it has been in hundreds of years. In fragile sites like cave paintings or tomb murals, this non-contact method can mean the difference between preservation and destruction. But technology doesn't stop at cleaning. Artificial intelligence is now helping researchers reconstruct missing sections of murals digitally. By analyzing patterns, symmetry, brush strokes, and known cultural motifs, AI systems can predict how damaged areas may have originally looked. These reconstructions are never blindly applied to the wall. Instead, they exist as digital layers, used for study, virtual exhibitions, or projected overlays that allow viewers to see the before and after without altering the original artwork. In some museums and heritage sites, visitors can now use augmented reality to see faded murals restored in real time through their screens. What you're seeing isn't paint, it's data. Chemistry also plays a silent but crucial role. Nanomaterials are used to strengthen weakened plaster and pigments at the molecular level. These materials penetrate microscopic cracks, reinforcing the structure without changing appearance or texture. Unlike older restoration methods, they remain reversible, an ethical cornerstone of modern conservation. This principle is vital. Every intervention must be undoable. Future generations may have better tools, and today's solutions should never trap the past in permanent mistakes. Technology also helps protect murals from future damage. Environmental sensors now monitor humidity, temperature, air quality, and microbial growth inside historical sites. When conditions shift into dangerous ranges, alerts allow conservators to act before visible damage occurs. In essence, murals are no longer static relics. They are living systems, constantly measured, analyzed, and protected by science. What's remarkable is that modern restoration is not about making ancient art look new. It's about honesty, preserving what remains, understanding what was lost, and using technology to tell that story without rewriting history. Every restored mural becomes a collaboration across time, between ancient artists and modern scientists. So the next time you see a centuries-old wall painting glowing with renewed clarity, remember, beneath those colors lies physics, chemistry, data science, and one powerful idea, that the past is worth protecting with the best tools the future can offer. Question for viewers: should digital reconstructions ever be shown alongside original ancient art? Or should we only see what time has left behind? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.